the Detroit diesel in it.
Oh, is that airbags up front? Okay.
Crystal, what about this one?
Chevy Custom.
Huh?